Okay, I am in the park now where it's going to lead to the waterfall, and this is the ticket. It costs you 300 for each person and 20 for the motorbike. Here you can see some souvenirs. You can do some shopping around. Let's see what we have. Oh, this is bamboo shoot snack. I'm gonna try one of this. This looks good. So this is the Erawan waterfall, and there are 7 levels to it. We are at the 5th level. To climb up to the higher levels, you have to go from here and climb up steep mountains. It's quite fun, you know, to climb up like this. Look at the people. Wow, it's like a challenge to walk up from here.